So this is, I just bought it boat and came to us to be winterized, and that's about as much play as we've ever seen. And this is a Bravo drive. And so they've already done the repair where you cut that out and then put another pin in there. And but the funny thing is, go ahead and move it. What the problem usually is that pin is not turning and this ring is. But both the pin and ring are turning, and you can't see any movement inside the boat on the arm, and the steering wheel's not moving. So there's some really, we're going to end up having to pull that plate off in there, but this is just to document how much play there is, and it's not in that pin like it normally is for the Bravos.